Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to use a smart device in Zoom. This video will cover connecting an Apple device, either an iPad or an iPhone, to your computer and using Zoom's Share Screen function to share and record your smart device screen while in a meeting. You might be asking yourself, what are the benefits to using a smart device in Zoom? Zoom already has the whiteboard and the annotation features. Why would I want to add even more technology? iOS devices are great as acting as drawing tablets, especially if you've come to find using a mouse with Zoom's annotation feature a little too cumbersome. Plus, you can scan documents and instantly share them with your class, or even turn your device into a do-it-yourself document camera. The important thing is to use the tools you're most comfortable with when it comes to teaching. And if that includes using an iOS device for your asynchronous Zoom lectures, then we're here to show you how to get that set up. So let's get started. The easiest way to connect an iOS device to your computer, like an iPad, is with a lightning cable. Now this can be done either before you start your Zoom meeting or while you're in it. It doesn't matter when you hook up your tablet. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to connect the lightning cable to my iPad and then hook it up to my computer using one of the USB ports in the back. So let me do that now. Great, so I have my iPad connected. Now let's start our Zoom meeting. So now I'm in my Zoom meeting, and I'm going to remember to hit record before I start screen sharing, just so I don't forget later. So I'm going to record to the cloud. And now to access my iOS device, I'm going to navigate down to Shared Screen at the bottom of my Zoom meeting. And normally you'll see any open windows you have on your computer. And then I have Whiteboard, and you'll see iPhone, iPad via AirPlay, and iPhone, iPad via cable. These options will always be in this basic share screen menu, whether or not you have a device connected. So we connected with a cable. I'm going to hit iPhone, iPad via cable, and I'm going to hit share. So now we're sharing my iPad screen, and I already had the Notes application open, but the nice thing about this is now I can use my Apple Pencil as a stylus. And as you can see now, as I write on my iPad, it's going to write in my Zoom meeting. It gives you far more control over your drawing. If there's an application on your device you really like, you can access that as well. If you want to use your device as a document camera, there are a lot of tutorials online on how to make a simple stand. Then, just open your device's webcam. Instant document camera. So those are the simple steps needed to connect an iOS device to your computer and use it as your shared screen in Zoom. Now you might have noticed there's another way to do it. You can do it through AirPlay, as long as your device and your computer are both on the same Wi-Fi network. So let me show you how to do that. Well, in our meeting, we're going to once again navigate to our Share Screen function. And now we're going to connect iPhone/iPad via AirPlay. Once I click share, it's going to give me the steps to connect my device to my computer. So I'm going to select screen mirroring on my iPad. And as long as the devices are both on the same network, my computer is going to pop up in this menu. I'm just going to select the device. And now once again, my shared screen is my iPad. And I can now navigate to my programs. Hooking up an iOS device to your Zoom meeting is a really simple process, but it will open up so many more avenues for creativity so you can focus on delivering the most engaging content to your class.